Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to show you friends how to install the Battleground Mobile India gameplay directly from the Play Store in any Android device. As you can see friends, so right now I'll try to show you how to install this game perfectly in any Android device directly from the Play Store. No need to download any file, any zip file, nothing you need to. Just direct from the Play Store only you can actually download the game easily. So the reason why I'm uploading this video is because it's a request which was asked by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on that topic, particularly how to download this APK. As you can see, this is a request. So let's see the step-by-step process what you need to do from starting from here, how to get to here. That is what I'm going to show you in this entire video. So try not to skip the video friends. So first try to open the Play Store and try to type in the search BGMI game. So you'll get this kind of menu here. Try to register. So if you previously not registered, try to click on the register. As you can see, just click on that option. Now you will get this kind of message as well. Just click OK. As you can, now you successfully registered for this beta early access. So now what you need to do is that go to the Google Chrome browser. So just go to. So now you need to open the Google Chrome and type in the Google Chrome search bar. So BGMI official. Just type like this. As you can see, friends, BGMI official. Try to click on that one. So don't try to follow any kind of other links. Just as it is friends, so just type in the Google Chrome BGMI official and you'll get the first link only. Try to click on this early access now. Just click on that button. So that will take you to the next link. Let me show you. Open with the Google Chrome only. So this is another page where you got, as you can clearly see friends. So now try to click on the Become a Tester. So this is a phone which I'm trying to use is the MI Max 3. This is a very old model which is MI Max 3, which is really big huge phone. So try to click on the beta register and now you'll get this kind of message which says welcome to testing beta program. As you can see friends clearly. Sometimes what happens is that try to click on the download. So try to click on the download. So it will take you to the Play Store and there you will see directly the option which is to install. So right now in my case I'm not seeing any kind of installation process, so no need to worry at all. I'll try to show you what to do next. So try to go to the app info of this Play Store. Just try to go to app info and try to clear the data. Now just clear the data. So this won't delete anything friends, just clearing the data only, as you can see. So everything login, all this saving details will be completely saved, nothing will be erased. That is another thing. Just try to clear the data. So now click on this option which says download it from the Google Play. As you can see, try to click on that option. So now you will get the option which says install. As you can see friends clearly. So in this way you will be able to install the BGMI gameplay in any Android device from using the Google Play Store only. Don't try to download any other zip file. So before we used to have that kind of difficulty, but right now it's very easy and simple process. So one more thing. So there are a couple of things to remember. So try to sign in with the same Play Store email ID what you used in the Play Store. Same try to use in the Google Chrome as well. That is the one thing which you need to remember always. Same email ID is applicable friends. In the Play Store, whatever the email ID you are using, same email ID try to use in this Google Chrome browser as well. So once you do that, just try to click on the download. It will be always appearing install. If it doesn't appear install, no need to worry at all. Try to refresh the page. So try to refresh the Google Chrome page couple of times. Just try to refresh and reload it. Just type and continue. So a couple of times try to refresh, then try to click on the download and it will definitely show you the install option in the Play Store. So in this way you'll be able to download and install the BGMI gameplay friends. And thank you for watching this video. This is a small video which I thought of keeping really short within 3 minutes. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then stay tuned and bye.